Masarap! Lamig kaayo.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
To wake up, still half an hour. And Mariah, of course, is there. And Samuel in the attic. Well, I just wanted to start the vlog. See what's going on. I was suddenly in for some egg, but I'm trading on crypto. So Vivian is making some coffee and some boiled egg. Yay! Montag, with your coughing. How are you?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Why does your throat hurt?
I don't know. It's different again. Ewan ko bakit. Sakit talaga yun. Ano ko? Lalamunan ko. Lalamunan lang. I don't know what it's called. Sakit yung ngipin ko. Sakit yung katawan ko. Makati yung mata ko. Kailangan ko daw tumawa. Ang sakit.
But it's still a bright day. Always look at the bright side of life.
Yeah.
Do-do, 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 do-do.
Okay. Hopefully it's medium boiled egg.
All our laundry and our storage. Good morning, Samuel. Hey, you have early exam? What time? 9. Oh, okay. This is Samuel's, how do you call that? Roof. How do you call that? Window. The house is so old, they have not maintained it well, that's why it's broken, see that? It's taped. But we've asked them to fix things, they didn't do it. That's why also is the reason why we are looking for something else. Because, well, it's a nice house, but they're very slow and very reluctant in fixing things that are broken, because this is not our house, they have to fix that, it's the owner's responsibility. Just like at the moment, one of our, how do you call it? The rolluiken, English, broke. Can't put it up or down anymore. And today it's sunny and rainy. Also nice. Here, two birds in love, I think. See? Can you see it? Oh yeah, they're in the mood for something. Where are they? Oh, here.
Breakfast in bed, like every morning.
Yeah, but not like this. Usually it's just simple coffee and some
Only
bread.
the egg is extra now.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Woohoo! first thing is chocolate paste in your white sheets. It looks like shit.
Tingnan yung almusal namin. Matamis, matamis, matamis. Except for the egg. Then, this is a cake here. The breakfast cake. No. It's called literally breakfast cookie. But it's a breakfast cake.
Ontbijt cook, yeah.
Yeah. And with jam, you can also just eat it with butter. Tapos ito yung tinapay namin. It's a wheat. It's very, how do you call it? Brown. Right? Tapos met cookie cookie spread. It's just like a spread made out of cookies. That's a flavor.
The bad thing is, when you use a beer mug for your coffee, you get all the condensed. Here, look.
Yeah, it's a German beer mug.
Yeah.
He got from V.
Hey, you don't have this.
You want to show the
water, yeah. Now.
And Rodney have a chocolate sprinkles, so you
Yeah.
will must be shocked. And a chocolate paste.
Well,
All pure, not the milk one.
and when you go on YouTube and Google most favorite breakfast in the world for children's most favorite breakfast, they do a thing. Most times it is the Dutch breakfast. It's like the bread with chocolate sprinkles. That is the top one. So
I don't eat chocolate sprinkles. I mean, it's just because I'm not fond of it. I don't know why.
Coffee in the morning.
Pero yung gusto ko noon, chocolate spread. Kaya lang wala na akong, hindi ko nagana. So, I don't know. But the Dutch breakfast would be like cheese,
No, it's not
chocolate
really.
spread.
No, yeah. But the
And
thing is,
cold cuts.
it's even a bit lower. You chop our heads off. No, yeah, you're chopping our. You're filming so much above our head. No, but the thing is, the farmers, of course, they usually take a small breakfast very early in the morning or with some coffee. But after their first round of work, and usually they used to, of course, just milk the cows. Now it's most of the time robots. And then they would go back home, and then the servants or maybe the wife, if the wife doesn't work in the farm, would prepare breakfast, and it would be a big breakfast with scrambled eggs, with bacon and everything. So they have a steady thing for their work. So a solid bottom to work on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, where's the rest?
House and toilet.
And the other one? You woke him up? Mariah, good morning. Mariah is having an exam with Samuel, of course. This is the last exam. You can do it, Mariah. Oh, I cannot disturb her. She's studying.
Oh yeah. What is the topic? What they do? What are they studying?
I don't know.
Hey, what are you going to make today? Because I thought you were going to make something Filipino.
Oh, I was thinking,
No, you're not making a Filipino.
kala ko kasi gusto mo magbigay ng pagkain kay yung sa client mo to taste.
What?
For your client to taste.
Oh yeah, we were talking about that, yeah.
So maybe just make some adobo is the fastest.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
Maybe with Linda and rice. Sure, egg.
So are you going to do that or maybe?
I'm gonna do that, but I have to buy meat first. Oh.
Yeah.
Ito,
You have pork.
itlog para sa'yo.
Later that day.
Ang pangit ng buko! So mga kaibigan, a while ago, nagpapaulan ako. Maulan pa rin. Look at that. It's very wet weather. It's supposed to be summer next month already. So it's supposed to be sunny spring with cold wind. So binili ko to. I forgot to vlog kasi nga sa ulan, na-disturbo ako. I forgot. I didn't remember anymore that I was starting the vlog. So nakita niyo, nagtatanim ako nung, I know, there's a different vlog. So, ito na, yun yung hinahanap ko kasi. It was in the folder, you call that, the weekly folder from the supermarket, and they were selling, during this time of the year, they sell pans, and you have to be very fast because it's gone before you know. So it came out on Wednesday. Fortunately, may natira pa. Medyo maliit siya. Alam ko naman maliit siya konti. Kaya lang, I really need one. And I don't want the very expensive one. And I don't like the summer plants pa nga na mamamatay siya after summer. papalitan ko na naman ulit. But I asked somebody I know and they said it's always like that. So, but this one, you can keep it if you take care of it. I think you can keep it inside during the summer. I don't know, summer and the winter. So, kailangan ko lang siguro ng lupa para maka-get siya ng konti. Or, because I put this inside, kailangan ko lang na medyo malaki para tumaas pa siya ulit. Or just in the bottom of this pot. I don't know. At least there's something already. And I guess it will grow even more. Like, it goes thicker and parang yeah, lalaki siya ng konti that it will drape off the standard. So, si Rodney rin kagagaling din ng trabaho niya. He went there cycling. When he left, it was already raining without a raincoat. And then, he arrived there wet. Tapos, pauwi niya. Kasi hindi na humihito yung ulan eh. Nagpapatuloy siya umulan. But I guess today it's gonna rain the whole day. I've seen a warning again. Oh, sorry. A weather warning, code yellow. For today, there will be lightning and thunder and all over the country. So, si Muraya at si Samuel, tapos na yung exam nila. Yung last exam nila, they just did. Tapos nakauwi na sila in the rain as well. So, also wet. Even though they have a raincoat, you still get wet all over your face. So it's disturbing when you cycle like that. But that's life here. Yeah. So I also bought some more plants. I thought they're beautiful instead of buying flowers every time. So I bought these plants. Ooh. I have to make soup quick. Look at this. It's two. You might be wondering why two. Because that's how it is in Holland. Symmetry. Everything in twos. Huh? And here's our cat.
No, say something.
Sandali. Ito pa. Ito maganda, no? Ano ba pangalan nito? It's an aquarium. Yeah, I'm gonna go do adobo and a lumpia. Then I can put it in a nice package and you can give it to them. And you tell them this is how she's gonna sell it. So, ganun.
Work.
Huh? Blur?
Work.
Yeah, work. So, that was the update for today. Nay, for what I did outside house.
Come here.
Well, I turned it already and I turned it back again. It's disturbing. I don't want to see my safe face.
The reason why you're using a vlogging camera is so you can see yourself.
Yeah.
And
But I've been looking at myself. Okay. Now, yeah, I still need to make some soup para makakain na itong mga ito, alagang. Mariah showered? No, she's just wet from the rain. Okay, see you later. Okay, mga kaibigan, anong gagawin ko? Luluto ako ng konting lumpia at saka mag-a-adobo ako for her dinner. Yung lumpia, extra lang yun para sa client na Rodney kasi nagsasabihan siya na kapag nagluluto daw ako, magdala daw siya. So Rodney said, oo, nagluluto yan tapos magbebenta daw yan ng pagkain. So, if they're interested maybe, then they can buy like adobo from us. And but first, let us make them try it first. Yeah. Marami namang nasasarapan ng adobo natin dito sa Holland, yung mga kaibigan, yung mga kakilala. Kung binibigyan ko ng pagkain para makatikim sila. Because I was really planning na magbenta ko ng pagkain. Kaya lang, it's not really the priority right now. So, yung una natin gawin, wait a minute. Mag-ano muna ako ng carrots mag-peel. Then, we crush our garlic and chop it almo. Pero hindi to tutorial. Alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako naggagawa ng tutorial. Pinapakita ko lang kung nagluluto ako. Tapos kung may nagtanong kung ano yung ginagawa ko, ano yung ginagamit ko, then I would say, I don't mind telling you the stuffs. I'm not into this step by step na pag-video ng pagluluto ko. Ganun ba? Ang gaganda pa naman ng mga video. Gusto ko yung kang Marquez. Sino yun? Yung pangalan niya. Abby Marquez. Gusto ko yung mga reels niya. Galing niya. And natutuhan mo talaga kahit ang bilis, di ba? At saka limited yung pinapakita nila. Just the idea of it. Alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo sa ingredients mo, kung ano yung ingredients mo. If you look at my phone, ang daming screenshots ng mga recipes na nakikita ko. Tapos, dami nakasave na reels, cooking reels. Kasi pinapanood ko ulit. Tapos sinusulat ko. Gusto ko yung nakasulat kasi when I want to look at it again during cooking, then I don't have to search in my phone, like scroll back again. Tapos dumidilim yung phone. I know may mga apps, may mga sites na nagsasabi, you just press this so that you're cooking mode, something like that. Kaya lang hindi lahat. Tapos nadudumi yung phone mo. Kasi you can't help it, you have to scroll down kasi it doesn't fit the whole thing in the screen, you know. Kung mag-fit siya, then ang liliit ng letters, hindi mo nababasa. So, that's why I rather have it written. And when I write it down, then I remember it also. Diba? Even though I don't really remember the recipes, tingnan ko talaga. There are few recipes, very few, that I just figure out by myself in my mind. For the rest, no, I don't remember anything. Matanda na tayo. Okay, let's get this going. Ang wala ako, yung tauge. Wala akong tauge, tapos hindi ko lalagyan ng hipon. Kasi wala nga rin akong hipon. But usually, I can just do anything what I have in the lumpia. But the most basic things, yung talagang standard ko, kung kumpletong lumpia, ginagawa ko pareho sa mama ko, yung tauge, baggy beans, at saka carrots, plus, of course, ground meat, at saka hipon. Konting hipon. And I tried making lumpia Shanghai, then it's only ground meat and hipon. So you have to use a little bit more hipon then. Pero, yun na yun. Oh, shh. Pero kung simpleng lumpia lang for daily, then I just, yun mo yung mama ko, ginagamit niya razor. Yung blade ng razor. Old time. Out of it. That's why I said old time. Yung old-fashioned razor na ginagamit lang talaga ng blade. Ano yung brand ng blade noon? Medyo matagal na to. Sige, makikita ko. Oh, you don't even see what I'm doing. Yeah. Ganun na lang. Yeah. So, this is a different kind of green beans. This is a thinner. I don't have time to take away the veins out. But iba naman to eh. Hindi naman to yung matigas kapag may veins. I'm sorry. I have to hurry. And I just do like this. Because kung nasa lumpia, kinakain mo lang yung lumang nakikita. You also have those kitchen machine that slices your vegetables in different ways. You just replace the disc or something. Kaya lang, may machine ka na naman uli. Ang dami mo na, puno na nga yung kusina ko dito. Sa kadadami ng mga bagay na ginagamit at hindi ginagamit. Kala mo gagamitin mo. Pero kung wala ka, namimiss mo. Kung meron, hindi mo naman pala ginagamit. Kaya sayang rin to get rid of it kasi magagamit mo naman. Ano ba? So, buti na lang wala na lang ginagamit mo. Kutsilyo na lang at saka tagtaran. Sa Tagalog kaya, sa Bisaya kaya. Don't correct me because I know you have to do your fingers like this, but it just doesn't work with me. Not all the time. Sometimes when I think of it, pero usually nasanay na talaga kung ganun. I just have to be very careful. I did have cut my nails so many times. Like nasira yung kuko ko. it's only recording. Sabi yun. To arrange it ba? Bakit ba? I know the tips. Kailan? Hindi ko naalala. So, like that. Wala nang space. Ay, tingnan nyo na. Sabi ko na haba. This is odd. Nini-nervous kaya ako pag nanonood kayo. Ayan. See? Nagmamadali ako. Tapos, hindi na ano yung ginagawa ko. Alam niyo kung anong feeling ko ngayon? Parang papunta na ng Pasko. Here yan. Parang papunta na ng Pasko kaya. Kasi ulan ng ulan. Ay, ano ba yan? Ulan ng ulan dito eh. Tapos maginaw, konti. Lumuluhod muna ako para makita niyo ako. Maganda yung weather para sa akin. Sabi na nung isang tao kahapon na kita ko. Sabi niya, nice weather. Sabi niya, ako, no, it's a bad weather. Kasi medyo mainit kahapon. Medyo. Mainit talaga kahapon. So, nakakapawis. Just roughly crush this one. Slice this one. I don't know. And later we need more garlic for our adobo. Adobo, I almost put yung isang ulo ng ahos. Did you know, nung sa Malaysia pa kami nakatira, napunta kami ng Tesco, yung British na supermarket ba? Madami sa Malaysia kasi nung panahon na yun. Tapos mura sila. Pag bumibili kami ng onion sa grocery, yung mga incheck, anong ginagawa nila? Nag-skin sila ng kinukuha nila yung skin ng onions. Lalo na yung mga puti na onions, di ba? Yung malalaki. Tapos marami ng loose skin. Pero kinukuha na nila yung mga skin kasi less yung weight. Ha! Kasi madami rin naman yung binibili nila kahit na, di ba? Ano ba yan? Tapos yung ahos, ganun din yung ginagawa nila. Yung bawang puti. Kinukuha nila ng skin. Lagay ko sa ng chili, kaya lang natatakot ako baka makain nila tapos maanghangan sila, di ba? Na lang, sasawsawan na lang natin. Yay! Tapos na to. So, let's begin with frying it. Hindi ko inubos. Ano ba yan? Baliktarin muna natin. Oh, mag-fry muna tayo ng magigisa na tayo na fry. Wait, I'm gonna put my meat first in there. Ito ko muna to. Yan, lagay natin yung bawang at saka yung sibuyas. Tapos yung gulay. Then salt and pepper to taste. In the meantime, magka-crush muna tayo ng garlic at saka yung other ingredients ko. Ay, nakabalik. Nakauwi na yung asawa ko. Madali lang yung trabaho niya ngayon.
I had anything to do.
This morning you were longer, yeah?
Very long. Yeah, I have to go there 3 times. 3 times.
So they got you more
day.
time with going back and forth than the work.
Well, it's 1.5 hours. every time, but it doesn't always take 1.5 hours. So, and this morning it took 2.5 hours. So, yeah.
So, lagay muna natin dito lahat ng kailangan natin. Tapos, ika-crush muna to for the adobo. O, sige, pahinga muna kayo. Pasok ko na yung bombay at saka sibuyas. Bawang. So, ngayon yung gulay. Tapos, stir fry lang natin. Lagyan natin ng toyo ng konti. Asin at saka pepper.
I'm looking at the screen.
Kung gusto mo, betsin.
I think you have the wrong setting from the
What?
thing. It's too small.
Which is
The
too small.
frame.
Is it?
I will check it out. Maybe we have to change the setting.
Yeah, tapos na. Ito na pagkain ko.
Happy Christmas.
Ganito
Merry Christmas.
for sale. Okay, Merry Christmas. Hey, it's not
like
Christmas.
this.
What?
Very nice. But it needs a little bit more color. Maybe a red thing in there.
Maybe paprika.
Yeah.
Yeah, paprika. So for the color, yeah.
Put a logo on it.
What?
A logo.
What?
A logo.
No, in the food. Oh, logo.
Of course. Fifi's food.
No, not Fifi.
Oh, niet. Oh, Rodney's food. Okay.
Fifi feeds you.
My food, because I eat it all.
feeds. Fifi feeds.
Hey, you are blocking the camera with your back.
Ito. I do for you.
Iedereen die zich tegenkeert wordt kapot.
You're
Now,
watching something Dutch?
Abby.
Dutch.
Adobo is delicious.
Alleen, there's nothing spicy in this one because of the...
Always nice, right? Welke.
Pepper here. Oh, whatever you call it.
Black pepper. The black pepper. Did you take some... Kuha kayo ng pipino?
Always tastes delicious.
Barot and Shaya doesn't want to eat. And Samuel.
Very tasty, Mama.
Yeah, that's so. No, you eat.
This is yours, Rodney.
So, how's your. Why?
It's warm.
Smoking hot?
No, cannot wait for that. So.
Ikaw na.
No, not ikaw now.
I cannot.
Nee. Vivian.
Pero hindi ako kakain. I have to wait kasi sakit yung ngipin ko. Eto na, Jida is moving back. I thought you were showering.
You said they were showering.
I heard the shower on.
No, nothing.
Okay. No, Evie? Baro.
I've ate already.
Magtatrabaho pala si Baro, kaya. Careful with your clothes.
And where's the lumpia? Somebody. No, I taste the lumpia. Yeah, then turn it around. I'm sure it's nice because we eat it quite often. Oh, you hear that? Come here, come. It's not my brazier, it's the lumpia. Oh, very nice hot. Yeah. Oh, very not nice hot, but nice hot, nice. Oh. Lekker, delicious. Let me try it. Masarap. Enak. Lekker.
No. You still want to show them how when you're trying to prepare some food? No, mga kaibigan, ang dali lang magluto ng Filipino pagkain, di ba? So, Shusha, you eat. What?
Yeah, eat.
What? Kasi hindi ako pwede kumain ngayon kasi pangipin ko, kakainom ko lang ng, gamot. So, Kami, can I have a sip of your drink?
Eat at least a
You.
eat at least a lumpia.
Daya, ops ka pa. Ka na ng pagkain mo.
Can't do that. That's probably hot.
I forgot what's the word?
Because you don't use a tinidor, you always use only spoon.
And maybe you can see that the vlog is brighter today now than in the beginning, because the camera lens was a bit smutsig, a bit dirty.
Oy. So, sarap?
Yes.
What is the Filipino for Tagalog? For
So you're watching this movie.
for what? For spoon.
Patola.
Patola.
Means shoe, right? Means shoe. A slipper or something.
Shoe?
Chupato? Chupato? Baru?
Oh my goodness,
I don't know.
Barisha. Patola is the vegetable behind the garden. The one we use to make scrubs. Cuchara. Remember that because it's the same as Spanish. So at least you have a little bit of Spanish.
I don't know
And
any
the
Spanish.
fork is, that's why you have to remember that. Tinidor.
When we're in the Philippines, you're going to school there to
The
study
spoon is-
Bisaya or Tagalog.
Cuchillo. It's the same as in
Saya.
Bisaya and Tagalog. So.
I'm gonna play it back anyway later on, so you don't have to watch now. I'm gonna rewind it. Ja, ik kan zo wel. Nou, zeg maar.
Heerlijk, echt lekker.
Heel lekker.
Nou, Vivienne, je moet toch maar je business gaan starten, hè?
Ja, ja, echt wel. Je kunt echt in een restaurant starten hoor.
Ja, kijk, en deze? Door die scoria eten jullie. Hij heeft zo vaak gevraagd. Oh, sorry. Nou, vertel. Hij wil ook op de camera nog een keer. Nou, even luisteren, dan komt hij gaan.
Weet je wat je nou doet?
Nou,
Laat je de volgende keer er wel komen.
volgende komt ze hier. Ja, is goed. Filipino adobo. Zeg maar, masarap.
Masarap?
Ja, masarap. Of in Bisaya, lamike ayo. Lamike ayo.
Lamika ayo.
Ja. Hé, maar die jongen heeft helemaal niks gegeten. Die jongens. Oeh, ik zit hier tussen stoelen.
Dat is echt lekker. Nee, dat is echt...
Kijk, zie je pa daar.
Lekker hè, ook zacht gaan.
Ja.
Heel zacht. Nee,
Ja.
ja, echt
Nou, is het wel lekker? Ja? Wat zeg je, Wil?
Ik ga het best wel beginnen.
Ja.